I've been extremely guided to go deeper in the codes that I'm connecting into today. I am in a place that is extremely sacred to me. This is actually where I've been activated. This is where my light language came, in this ocean that I consider to be part of Lemuria. It's as if the Lemuria is floating here. And again, I just went through this ocean. I was just swimming back 2 years ago now, and few days after I got completely activated with my light language, which according to me is my most powerful protection. It's the dragon language. And again, there is something so particular here, and if I'm coming back, I came back quite often since, always, because it was a big time for me to be activated. But for some reason I came back here, and it's a very important time. We're still in this eclipse and a new year fire horse energy and new moon energy. And oh my god, I got a general reading right before, and we already had like Isis and the same cards like wounds or initiation. So I think what we're going to do now is crazy. It's like a big deck, and we literally got the two same cards. I'm speechless right now. So it's a big indication for me. We are going to go inside the process and enter the Sphinx, and I'm going to help you take your power back. This is going to be your fuel from any wounds that it was difficult for you to go through, and that has absorbed, like this very traumatic experience absorbed your light. It literally stolen your light without your consent and permission, just because your soul was under shock. There is a throat chakra activation and healing I'm hearing. So connecting to someone that could not say their truth, probably as a child. Okay, we are going to dig deeper, because I connected to Nia, the wounded child. Yeah, Mama. Mother whale is here. Di oru tutukunde iya. Arina nake kikirio murumaya. Transmuting out anta ara iya ta iya ta iya ta iya. Ikara Asha ukoro unu widiri in no way asha Sending Treya Sadreya have the emerald fire in your heart space. Come, Neata, Archangel Gabriel and Archangel Raphael, thank you for assisting me. Karatiki tiri bo susuku ba ada evening le iya ara ukototo onara wa atara ya uba. Oh no, oh wow. Hanuman is here also. It was something that was blocking your abundance for some reason. Thank you for investing in yourself. It's paying off. You're accessing now some codes that are going to literally unblock your abundance. Your heart was closed. It's time to open it. Oh my god, I'm excited for you! The dolphin upstairs is also very happy, and the fairy is also. I want to hold one more card. Let's cut it. Ooh. 8 on the timer. This is an abundance of love. This is an abundance of love. I told you I connected. Oh, cannot make this up. I'm saying the truth. And the lioness Sekhmet was here. Believe me. Focus on love. Only let them talk. You've been betrayed, and that's why your heart was closed. Yeah, I saw your heart in a cage or something, and I just helped you, and I feel so proud right now. I just helped you, yeah, and also I saw your dragon. You're heading to freedom. I feel the joy, I feel the excitement right now. Because again, it's going to happen. Ooh, I got chills. You're going to meet love. If it's not already the case, you're going to meet love. You're going to be speechless because am I talking about people that are like, no, it will never happen. Leave me alone. Get the F out of here. You've been betrayed. I know. Believe me. I've been there. I've been there. I've been there. So just stay open. Just trust. You might be connected to birds. I'm feeling this energy of love, and I'm happy for you because you will see when God has a plan, nothing can come and beat it. I love you so much, and until next time, namaste.